Hello students. Yesterday we have studied about the dimensions of business environment. Today we will continue the same topic, that is the dimensions of the business environment. As we have studied that there are 5 dimensions of business environment, and in the previous video we have studied the 2 dimensions of business environment, and today we will study the third dimension of business environment, and that third dimension is technological environment. As dimensions of business environment means we are studying about the general forces which we have studied in the features of business environment, and today we will discuss about the technological environment, how technological environment put an effect on your business, whether the effect will be positive or the negative. Sometimes it will provide you the opportunities, immense opportunities for the development of your business, but sometimes it also creates threats to your business. So let's see. Technological environment includes forces related to scientific improvements and innovations which provide new ways of producing goods and services and new way of operating business. As we all know the meaning of technology. Technology means some type of scientific improvement, some type of innovative ideas and some type of innovations which a businessman should try in his or her business. As we have studied in class 11th that innovation is also a objective of the business, because today the consumer is so much demanding that he always demands something new and something innovative. So technological environment includes all those forces which provide new ways of producing something, innovative ideas and scientific improvement. So technological environment creates so many opportunities to your business if you have the proper amount of finance available. For example, a new technology arrives in India for production of any types of fruits, but if you don't have appropriate financial resources, then you can't use that technology and it will don't be a part of the opportunity for you, and it will create a hurdle in your business performance. So टेक्नोलॉजिकल इन्वायरमेंट में क्या होता है, जैसे आप पहले देखिए कि पहले अगर हम बात करें तो ई टिकट बुकिंग जो है वो नहीं होती थी. सारी की सारी बुकिंग्स जो है वो आपकी रेलवे स्टेशंस की हो, चाहे होटल्स की हो, फ्लाइट्स की हो, आज सारा का सारा काम जो है वो आपके घर पे बैठे बैठे ही हो जाता है, और आपको अपनी होटल्स बुकिंग है, एयर टिकट्स है, रेलवे टिकट्स है, सारी की सारी टिकट्स जो है वो आपके फ़ोन से ही हो जाती है. तो इट इज़ द टेक्नोलॉजिकल इन्वायरमेंट विच हैज़ बीन चेंज्ड फ्रॉम द पास्ट सो मैनी ईयर्स. पहले ये सब नहीं होता था. आज अब अगर आप लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी की बात करें तो आज से 3 या 4 साल पहले भी जीपे है, फ़ोन पे है, ये सारी की सारी चीज़ें नहीं थी. ये ऐप्स जो है वो डीमोनेटाइजेशन के बाद आई हैं, सो दैट डिजिटलाइजेशन जो है वो हो सके इकोनॉमी का, और आपको कहीं भी जाने की ज़रूरत ना पड़े. आप अपनी किसी भी तरह की पेमेंट जो है वो घर बैठे ही अपने फ़ोन से जो है वो कर सकते हैं. तो इट इज़ द टेक्नोलॉजिकल इन्वायरमेंट इन इंडिया विच इज़ चेंजिंग, जो चेंज हो रहा है कंटिन्यूसली, बिकॉज टुडेज़ यूथ इज़ सो मच इनोवेटिव. उसके पास इतने ज़्यादा इनोवेटिव आइडियाज़ है, ही कंटिन्यूसली ट्राइज टू डू समथिंग इनोवेटिव. दैट्स वाई the technological environment of India is changing so rapidly. So the examples of technological environment are online sale of items, online booking of air tickets, shift from vacuum tubes to transistors, typewriter से word processors आ रहे हैं. So ये सारी की सारी चीज़ें क्या है, ये टेक्नोलॉजिकल इन्वायरमेंट हुई है. यानी कि कहीं भी अगर टेक्नोलॉजी में या साइंटिफिक इम्प्रूवमेंट्स होती है, इफ़ देर इज़ एनी टाइप ऑफ इनोवेशन, एनी टाइप ऑफ साइंटिफिक इन्वायरमेंट इम्प्रूवमेंट, देन दैट इन्वायरमेंट विल बी टेक्नोलॉजिकल इन्वायरमेंट. The fourth environment is political environment. Political environment is related to the forces which are related to the government in power, attitude of the political parties towards different groups of societies, policies by the political parties, all these, यानी कि वट एवर द फोर्सेज विच आर रिलेटेड टू आवर पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम, जो हमारे पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम से रिलेटेड फोर्सेज होते हैं, ऑल दोज फोर्सेज आर द पार्ट ऑफ पॉलिटिकल इन्वायरमेंट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मोदीज स्वच्छ भारत अभियान, दैट इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ पॉलिटिकल इन्वायरमेंट. स्किल इंडिया मूवमेंट विच इज स्टार्टेड बाय द बीजेपी, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ पॉलिटिकल इन्वायरमेंट. किसी भी तरह की कोई भी पॉलिसीज अगर गवर्नमेंट अडॉप्ट करती है, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ पॉलिटिकल इन्वायरमेंट. सो political environment includes political conditions such as general stability and peace in the country and specific attitudes that elected government representative hold towards business. कि जो गवर्नमेंट आपकी पावर में है, वो गवर्नमेंट क्या डिसीजंस ले रही हैं, क्या पॉलिसीज़ बना रही है, व्हाट आर देयर प्लान्स, वो किस तरह की स्ट्रेटजीज जो है वो फॉलो कर रही है, वो सारे के सारे फोर्सेस जो है वो पॉलिटिकल इन्वायरमेंट में आते हैं. Okay, that what will be the agenda of political parties, relation of our country with foreign one, policies and changes implemented by different government. So these are the forces which are related to the political system of a nation. Those forces comes in the political environment of the country. The major example are Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Skill India Movement, Startup India Scheme. These are the part of political environment. And the last one is legal environment. The management of every business has to obey the law of the land. In the nation in which your business is prevailing, the nation in which your business is established, you have to obey the law of that nation. Therefore it is essential for every businessman to have proper knowledge of rules and regulations framed by the government. Whatever the rules and regulations your government has framed, you have to follow those rules and regulations. And legal environment includes various laws, whatever the laws like Indian Companies Act 1956, Indian Partnership Act 1932, Sales of Goods Act 1920, Indian Contract Act 1872. These मतलब जितने भी लॉज बने हैं ना आज तक, वो सारे के सारे लॉज जो है वो आपकी लीगल इन्वायरमेंट में आएंगे. एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑर्डर, अगर गवर्नमेंट अथॉरिटीज़ किसी भी तरह का एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑर्डर देती है, फॉर एग्जांपल अभी जैसे ऑर्डर्स आ रहे हैं कि स्कूल्स एंड कॉलेजेस जो है वो अभी ओपन नहीं होंगे, तो दैट इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ लीगल इन्वायरमेंट, क्योंकि ये एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव का ऑर्डर है. ओके, कोर्ट जजमेंट, अगर कोर्ट है, चाहे वो स्टेट लेवल पे है, चाहे वो सेंट्रल लेवल पे है, चाहे वो लोकल लेवल पे, अगर वो किसी भी तरह की जजमेंट देते हैं, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ लीगल इन्वायरमेंट. एंड लाइसेंसिंग है, फॉरेन ट्रेड से रिलेटेड अगर किसी भी तरह की पॉलिसीज़ है, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ लीगल इन्वायरमेंट. एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट, वट एवर द स्टेटूटरी वार्निंग्स दैट हैज़ बीन रिटन on the label of any type of goods and services, that is also a part of legal environment. For example, smoking is injurious to health. It is a statutory warning which is mandatory for every producer to print on the label of cigarette by law. कोर्ट ने या लॉ ने जो है इसे मैंडेटरी किया है कि इफ़ अ प्रोड्यूसर इज प्रोड्यूसिंग सिगरेट्स, देन इट इज़ मैंडेटरी फॉर हिम टू राइट अ स्टैट्यूटरी वार्निंग दैट स्मोकिंग इज इंजीरियस टू हेल्थ. So all the statutory warnings which are essential to be printed on the label, that is also a part of the legal environment. Foreign exchange regulation and management act, any type of laws that will come under the legal environment. And laws to keep a check on the advertisement. For example, the advertisement of alcohol is prohibited, so it is also a part of legal environment. And sometimes a question is asked that mother's milk is essential for a baby. Which type of business environment is highlighted? So it is a part of legal environment, because for the first 6 months mother's milk is the most appropriate food. So this is a part of literal environment. And advertisement on baby foods, baby food के लिए जितने भी advertisement आते हैं, that also must inform that mother's milk is the best food for a baby. So all these part are the literal environment. So we have studied about all the dimensions of the business environment. A simple revision of all the environment. The first one is economic environment. Economic environment basically means the environment which is related to the monetary terms or which affect the economy of your nation, whether in the form of GDP, GNP, your economic growth, etc. For example, fiscal and monetary policies, banking reforms, GDP, GNP, per capita income, disposable income, taxes and subsidies, demonetization, GST, liberalization, privatization, globalization, and any other reform which influence the economy of your nation, that is a part of economic environment. Social environment includes the forces like taste and preferences of the consumer, women's participation in the jobs, birth and death rates, population shift, consumption habits, composition of family, attitude of the consumer towards any type of innovation, their lifestyle changes, standard of living improves or decreases. So these are the elements of the social environment. Basically, social environment includes all those forces which are related to the society's preferences in which the business is established. The third one is, as you can see the flow chart, it is the social environment. Fashion industry shift towards formal wear. Electronic items, there is increase in the demand of electronic items. Cosmetic industries, there is an increase in demand. Food habits, they have been shifted from the fast food to the organic foods to the healthy foods. So these are the part of the social environment. The third one is technological environment. Technological environment includes all those forces in which there are some type of scientific improvements, innovations, and modernization of technology, or a new method of production is adopted, a new method of operation or production is adopted, then that is known as technological environment. Political environment is related to the political policies of the system which is prevailing in your nation, that is right now BJP. So whatever the policies, whatever the strategies adopted by the BJP, that will be a part of the political environment, like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan by BJP, Skill India Mission, Startup India scheme. These are the part of political environment. And the last one is legal environment. It includes all the laws and the legislation which are passed by the government in the court. Whatever the laws like Companies Act 1956, Indian Partnership Act 1932, or any type of statutory warning, any type of thing which is mandatory by law, that will come under legal environment. Okay, so these are the basically 5 dimensions of the business environment. A important topic, वैल्यू बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस जो है वो इस टॉपिक पे आ जाते हैं, जिसमें आपको स्टेटमेंट दी जाती है एंड यू हैव टू identify the dimensions of the business environment. So these are the 5 dimensions, that is economic, social, technological, political and legal.